Hi dear friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to rank your YouTube channel with some tips and keyword. Actually these methods are work for me as well. In search I can find my channel in the first ranking. If your channel is not searchable in search, or your channel is not shows in top ranking, don't skip the video. Follow these process step by step. First, you have to choose a unique name for your channel. Try to choose a different name for your channel. Don't follow the popular YouTube channel name. As you see, there is no channel available same to my channel name in capital words. Because of that my channel comes on top. Second, you have to choose a unique logo or picture for your YouTube channel. If you don't know how to change your profile picture and name, check out the video description. I will put the video link in the description. Third, add channel keyword on your channel. For adding channel keyword, click on your profile picture and click on YouTube Studio. From the left side click on Settings and then click on Channel. Here in keyword add your channel name. And go save it. Fourth, add your channel name on your video tags. Add your keyword channel on your video description. I hope with these 5 process and tips you can rank your new YouTube channel. If you face any problem let me know. I try to help you out as well. Thanks for your watching.